So next, we are going to check out some of the AI photo editing tools that are available in Canva. In the past, you used to have to know a program like Photoshop to be able to pull off some of these edits. Now you can do it really easily in Canva. So let's go ahead and begin. So I started creating this presentation over here, and I would like to feature this teacher in my presentation. So I guess I could crop the photo like this and maybe move it in the corner. I guess I could enlarge it so then it sort of looks like this. I could crop it a little bit more, but it seems like for this layout that box is really getting in the way, the box around the photo. Now, I could bring this into a different program, of course, one like Photoshop, and try to use the cutting tool to cut around her, but I have a better idea because I'm going to use some of the AI tools in Canva. To access the AI tools, you just select the photo that you want to edit. We're going to go up to where it says edit photo, and you will see the option. The magic icon is right over here. Here are the magic tools. So what I'm going to do is choose this option that says background remover. And look at that box around that teacher that we previously saw right over here has now been completely removed. This is a great, really easy and quick feature that you can use to really help make your designs look professional. And now that this is here, I can do stuff like maybe put future technology this way. I can kind of redesign this opening slide so that our teacher or our educator is the star of this. I'm no longer confined to the box around the photo, which also can get in the way and make things a little more visually confusing for my audience. So this is a great tool that will allow you to move the background of any photo with just one simple click. I use this one all of the time. So let me show you another photo, and that's this photo that I uploaded. I found this one on the internet. This nice family went to the beach, tried to take a beautiful family photo, and unfortunately, there was a photo bomber who came in and ruined it. So I don't want to remove the background here, but what I do want to remove is just this unwanted part of the photo. Unfortunately, you can do that in Canva. This time I'm going to select edit photo, and I'm going to choose the option that says magic eraser. Okay, with my magic eraser, I'm going to select the brush size, and I am going to just brush out around this individual, kind of like that. Just want to highlight anything that I don't want. It doesn't have to be perfect, so you can see that I sort of overlapped it a little bit. I overlapped this man a little bit, but that's fine. After I'm done, I am going to release my mouse and take a look at that. The AI was able to remove that photo bomber from the photo, but also was able to preserve the background of this photo. So take a look at this. This was the original photo. This is the edited photo. That magic erase feature did an awesome job. So again, a simple feature that's going to be extremely helpful, save you a lot of time, and help your photos look the way that you want them to. So now let me show you another photo of a photo bomber. I believe this is actor Chris Hemsworth. I want to get him out of this nice couple's photo on the pool from their vacation. So I'm going to follow those same steps. I'm going to use magic eraser. Let me go ahead and erase. Kind of like that. And look at that, he's automatically removed. And let me just get his feet down here, just so that doesn't kind of give away the fact that he's not in the photo anymore, or that I touched up that photo. There we go. And you know what? Why don't I just get rid of some of these, I don't know if they're beer cans or beer bottles or whatever else, but if I just sort of touch them, they will be removed. And there we go. we have a nice photo that no longer has our photo bomber there. But the creepy thing is, while our photo bomber is gone, look at that. His reflection is still inside the pool. Let me go ahead and use Magic Eraser one more time. Let's see if I'm able to remove him from the reflection. Let's see how this looks. I'll just try that again. Okay, look at that. Not only did I remove the photo bomber, I also removed the reflection. So now what I'm going to do is to take this photo. This is a casual photo of a young man that was taken. And let's say that this young man wants to use this photo as his headshot for his LinkedIn page or for his resume. Now, if he's applying at a very formal setting, he's a little bit underdressed for the types of jobs that he is going to be applying for. So what I'm going to do is use another AI tool that is going to let me replace some of the elements of this photo. I'm going to go to Edit Photo, and I'm going to choose this option that says Magic Edit. What Magic Edit will allow me to do is to not only select a part of this photo, but to select and actually edit that. So I'm going to make my brush size a little bit bigger so I can just erase the majority of the parts of this photo that I don't want. Actually, I'm going to reset that. So when you have a big area like this, I generally use this bigger brush to get the majority of it, and then I will switch to a smaller size to get some of the parts around, kind of like that. Now the good news is that it doesn't have to be perfect when you are doing this. You just kind of have to get close. Even if you sort of overwrite over the person or the part of the photo that you want, the AI is usually pretty intelligent, so it knows not to remove that part in most cases. But you know, if we do this and it doesn't look the way that we want, we can always reset it and try it again. So now what I'm going to do is just take this brush size, make it a little bit smaller because I have this little space in between his arms, and then I also have a small space right over here around his arm and leg. Okay. Next, I'm going to select Continue, and this time it's going to ask me to type what I want to generate in that purple brushed area. And I'm going to choose this, a professional office setting, high quality, blurred background. Let me select Generate, and we'll see what Canva is able to come up with. Okay, so I have 4 different suggestions. I'm just going to select on a couple. This one looks kind of interesting, but maybe just a little too busy visually. This one is not bad. It looks like he's just in an office on a floor. And then you have this one. It looks like your typical new age office with computer terminals and that sort of thing. So I think I like this one. So this is good. The setting is good, but now this applicant is a little bit underdressed. So what I'm going to do now is try Magic Edit again. This time I'm just going to brush over his clothing. Okay, this blue dress shirt. He does have dress pants on, but I think I'll brush over those as well. There we go. Just want to fill in everything, just kind of like that. Okay, next I'm going to select what I want to generate. Okay, so here's what I have: a professional black formal men's dress suit, and I'm even going to say from, and we will say from Burberry. All right, let's generate this, and let's see what Canva is able to outfit our job applicant with. Okay, look at that. Not bad. I don't know about the bow tie. Let me maybe pick this one. Not horrible. How about this one? This one looks a little strange because this part of the suit is different than the sleeves. You've got this one, maybe a little too loud. I think maybe this one is the winner. Now, if you look closely, of course, you can see that that maybe you could tell that this has been edited. But if we do something like maybe crop this a little bit, just sort of like that. There we go. We have a brand new formal headshot that we were able to generate from this photo by simply using some of the AI tools that are available in Canva for photo editing.